Hi, this is Jack at Jack's Transmissions. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the drop gear and third gear from the GR6 cluster. A lot of people spend a lot of money on pullers. They'll use like an impact or the wrong kind of puller that can actually damage the gear. So what I'm going to show you today is how to pull this using a very economical tool that makes this job very easy. So the tool that we use is a 3-jaw puller, 12-ton 3-jaw puller from Harbor Freight. This part number is 66657, and this makes this job really easy. I made a little stand out of some old pistons because I have to remove these every day, but just having a helper to put this on the cluster will do the same job. So what's nice about this puller is these arms grab the base of the gear and not up here around the teeth, so you don't have to worry about damaging the teeth. Move this over, make sure we're straight. There's some pullers where it's near impossible to get this out. It'll just fight you the whole way. But with this, comes out pretty easily. Look at that. Man, using any other puller, be sitting here for hours. It comes right out. It's so easy. Well, there's one. There's the drop gear. So that's it. It's as simple as that. When you get to the maximum throw on this, you move it back, put like an old piston pin or something in there in between, and drive the rest of the gears the rest of the way out. Pretty straightforward. This tool is amazing. We used to spend, every month we used to have to buy a new snap-on puller because we'd strip it out or burn it up. Like I said, we take several of these apart a day. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, just hit us on the DCT Facebook private group, or shoot us an email at sales@jackstransmissions.com. Thanks.